Throughout history, the skies have witnessed a number of mysterious aircraft vanishings that continue to baffle experts. From the infamous disappearance of Amelia Earhart in 1937 to the enigmatic case of Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 in 2014, these events intrigue and perplex us. These aircraft vanishings often occur without a trace, challenging modern aviation technology and investigation. While theories abound, ranging from mechanical failure to more speculative notions like Bermuda Triangle twists, solid explanations remain elusive. As aviation evolves, the quest to solve these sky-high puzzles continues, reminding us of the enduring mysteries that await beyond the clouds.